Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting for all you aspiring entrepreneurs and local business owners in TNT. If you've been wondering how to tap into the digital world right from our beautiful islands, you're in the right place. We're talking about the best online business ideas that work in Trinidad and Tobago. One of the most accessible online business ideas in Trinidad and Tobago is offering digital services. Think about skills like graphic design, social media management, content writing, or even virtual assistants. Many local businesses are eager to establish an online presence but lack the time or specific expertise. You can leverage your skills to provide these services remotely, connecting with clients across Trinidad and Tobago. This model has low startup costs and allows you to work from anywhere. It's about providing valuable solutions to a growing digital demand. Next up, let's talk e-commerce, but with a focus on local products. Selling unique Trini crafts, specialty foods, custom apparel, or even upcycled items online can be incredibly lucrative. There's a strong desire for authentic, locally made goods, both within TNT and among the diaspora. Consider creating your own online store or using existing platforms to showcase your products. This business model allows you to reach a wider audience than traditional brick-and-mortar stores. Focus on quality and tell the story behind your items. Another fantastic opportunity among the best online business ideas that work in Trinidad and Tobago is online education. Do you have a specialized skill or expertise that others could benefit from? You could create and sell online courses or offer one-on-one virtual coaching. Think about subjects relevant to our local context, like specific exam preparation, traditional cooking, or entrepreneurial skills. People are always seeking to learn new things or improve their existing abilities. Your knowledge can become a valuable income stream. Finally, consider becoming a content creator. Whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or a podcast, if you can consistently produce engaging and valuable content, you can build an audience. This can then be monetized through advertising, sponsorships, or selling your own products. Focus on niches that resonate with the Trinidadian and Tobagonian audience, or topics where you have a unique perspective. Building trust with your audience is key. These are just a few of the best online business ideas that work in Trinidad and Tobago. The digital landscape offers immense potential for anyone ready to put in the work. The most important step is to start. What are you waiting for? Please like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to watch our next video on how much can you really make online from Trinidad and Tobago. Remember to make money is a strategy, not a lottery.